23.25. Yeah.
25.
Like that to positive. Positive 09, 3 to 5, think. So that is not, this is a line basically what?
Separate.
No.
Negative
Passing
positive.
by the center and going through the all Y direction. Let us look at it. So let us make it line 1 vertical. Vertical. You can have horizontal line. And let us create it, okay? And now let us display plot. If you are right, you will get it. XY plot setup. Now it goes along Y equal 0, Y equal 1, and then I will go to line 1 vertical,
Yeah.
and I want the temperature. And let us plot. Yes, it is. So do you see it? This is the temperature. It goes like that. It peaks here to around. This is where the flame region, and then it comes down to close to the wall.
Is it correct? Because it has some reverse flow already in it.
It is minus 0.1 to 0.1, ironically. So that again, it's correct for his results. It is correct for his results. Where are you storing this? Why is it going from 0.1 only? From point 0.1 to 0.1? You see what I'm saying? So this sketch looks like this, right? And then this sketch looks like this, and you are starting from this plane. And we're extruding for how long? So how is this sketch? Just a minute.
Modeling.
Just a minute. Sketching.
Yeah, 95.25.
95.25. This is from where? Like this is from where to where? This is this length here.
Yeah.
So this one, and this one. So minus. So if you want the Y, where is the 0? Where is the XY? So this is a 0, yes. So this is 0. So from minus to positive, yes. From minus, yeah, that's correct. So that's correct. From minus 0.95 to 0.95. That's correct. Right? So this is okay. So this is line 1 vertical. I will create another one and I will move another 20 millimeter. And this will be what? 30. And call it line 2 vertical. Create. I will move another 20 millimeter. It will become 5, right? 5. And I will call it line 3 vertical. Create. And I will move another 20 millimeter. It will be 7. And we'll call it line 4 vertical. And create. And I will move another 20, it become line 9. And that will become line 5 vertical. Create. And I will move now 30 millimeter. Okay, 3. 30, 3, 2. create 2, and I'll call it line 6 vertical create, and I'll move another 30, become 5, 5, and that will become line 7, huh?
Yes.
Vertical create, another 30, 8, 8, and I'll call it line 8 vertical create. So now plot all these lines. Plot. That's the temperature. Right? So these are the temperatures, right? So now I'll come here right. I will say right. Right? And then I will say right. And then I will select where I want to put it. And I will call them temperature vertical lines, and it is here, right? Okay, now I will come to this directory here, and I will find temperature vertical lines, and I will open them with an editor, text editor.
Notepad.
Notepad, yeah. What is
This
it?
one.
Notepad.
Yeah. Right. So you will find all of these lines here, right? And then I will take this one out, and I will take all this one out. Control X, and then File, save as line 1, vertical line 1 in the same directory, and I will say save. Control New, Control V, Control Home, and that is line 2. You see? File, save as line 2, and then I'll come here. Control X, and this will be line what? 3. Control Home, take this one out, and then come here. Control X, Control S, and this is line 4, right?
No, like what's happening?
Four.
What are we doing with the lines?
Oh, hang on. Line 6. I selected that, okay? Line 5. This is line 5. Let's call it line 6. Now, you will take line 6 from someone else, you'll take lines from another one, and compare them as a method of validating this work,
Alright.
right? Line 7,
So how many lines can we have?
as much as you want.
Okay. So we should not be just limited to 7 lines.
Well, I'm just doing that as
So can I continue it to 8 or 9 or 10?
yeah, you can. Now, I'm doing it because I wanted to. I thought I'm working on my computer. Now, you have line 8 lines. Do you have a graph here, any graph that can put all of them together? I have one.
We can go to Excel and
Excel, no. I have another. There must be another graph here. There is any other graph that can take all of them in one?
Excel.
Excel معناه that means you have to take all of them one by one and put them in Excel.
What is the software that you have in?
No, it is from India.
Which software?
Unfortunately, it is from India.
Not unfortunately. Why have we been unfortunate?
So you will come to it's TechPlot. You know TechPlot? Have you heard about TechPlot? There is another one called SigmaPlot, which is free. You can download it. Where is Excel? For God's sake.
It's Microsoft Word. Office.
Just a minute.
Should I do it?
Opposite.
See,
Yeah, that is the
it's
one. So you come and put them here. Put it here. Does it work? And then plot it. Put all of them.
all eight,
Yeah,
seven
all
lines.
the 6 ones.
7 lines.
7 lines. Seven, right? If you have another one, if you put it here, it will give you the temperature. Put another one and it will come.
So should we have 7 graphs or should we have all
It's
7
absolutely,
values?
that is absolutely, I'm just showing you how to take data from there and plot it in a professional way. Try it your report.
So should we like have 7 graphs or 7 lines, or should we have all 7 lines and
No.
one
For
graph?
example, this line at what? At X, at moving,
Certain- yeah.
yeah, at moving specific distance from that, from here. We're moving, what is it? Do you remember where these are? These lines are moving, we moved 20 millimeter interval
Yeah, you made the difference.
along the axis, Z axis. It was supposed to be X, but in your case it is the Z.
axis.
So you will take data from someone else at the same locations and you put them because, okay, put it this way. I will tell you what I mean. Control open. Okay, that is line. That is line. That was line, which line? This is line 8, if you would like. Okay? This is line 8. Put this line 1. Put the 2 of them like that. Insert. And you will have them. Take this one out. You will have the 2 lines in one. That's what you want.
Is it
You will
two graph?
yeah.
Oh, it's
You will
two
superimpose. This is line 1, and this is line 1 because it's very close to the wall. You see, this is the developed profile for temperature. This is a nice profile, right? You can see it peaks exactly at the center, right? And it comes to the same level, some close to the walls. But very close here, very close to the injection point, it is not well developed flame. But that's what I'm saying. This is your data and this is your friend data.
So we compare and see.
You can compare it.
So should we work in groups?
Yes, 2, minimum 2. So that is how you do it, okay? So that's what I want. Profiles plus.
Should we have the name of the person as well in the report that we compared with this person?
Not, you can, yes.
So he writes
Whatever,
my name,
yeah.
I write his name.
Yeah, you can. Plus the surfaces. You have surfaces, right? You have display. And the slides. Where is plane? Do you have a plane here?
Plane 7 here.
Plane 7 here.
Display.
Plus this, which you can move. This and then you can also take cross-sectional to show you how the distribution of you can take cross-sectional, other cross-sectional planes.
Does this
X1.
have a reverse flow?
Reverse flow, you have to look to the vectors. Okay, fine. You don't have that software. Otherwise, you can take all these data to that software and then you have look at that software. You don't have it, but okay, take pictures from here. That's all that you can do. Take pictures from here.
But how do we know that we have no reverse flow or we
Oh,
don't
you have to go to the display vectors. See the vectors? Set up and let them be plane. Where is the plane?
No.
Plane 7. Display. Increase the
Scale.
scale. Why is it small like that? We have a reverse flow, but that doesn't matter.
How do we see? Do we?
But this is wrong. Hang on. This is wrong. This is take the auto scale out. Take the auto range out and make it just 5 or 3. Oh, gracious me! What happened here? Oh, gracious! What happened here?
I am doomed.
Oh, that is something funny. something I'm not seeing here. Do you see what it is?
Like none of us could do this. Like how to find out the. That's why we all needed to know. Like how to find the reverse flow. Do we have it or do we not? Seth. 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 You said that in the coursework we need to add the velocity of fuel, velocity of air.
Not getting what's going on here.